Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a free gift triggered by code. In the app, under Promotions tab, select on New Promotion, Gift or Upsell, and then select the gift product. You can select a specific variant or have them pick one of the variants by selecting all of it. And then click on Add. Let's change this to 100%. And then let's change the code name. And then let's put maybe gift 30. Then click on Change. And now let's put a trigger or a requirement for them to get this gift. I'm going to put $30 an example and then click on save. And now let's test it out. So let's go to the store and order at least $30 for me to be eligible for the free gift. So I'm just going to order 6 of these, add to cart, and then click on this one. And then there you have it. That's the gift 30. Or if it doesn't pop up in there, you can just click on this and then type in gift 30.